This is how we can change the quick panel color on a Samsung. So what we have to do is to open up the Samsung store, which you can get or you can find on your phone, and you can download Samsung apps from it. And you need to look up the Good Lock in here. So it is an app developed by Samsung, which allows you to make these advanced changes to your phone. And once you download and open up the Good Lock app, within this app, you can download like individual sub apps. Like you can see the Navstar, Quickstar, and so on. And I want you to find the theme park. So this is the theme park extension, whatever you want to call it. And then this allows us to change the themes of our phone. So click the little download button in there and make sure it loads up on the phone. It might take a while for the app to be installed. And now we can click on play like this. So we get inside of the theme park, wait for it to load up again, and we want to essentially change the panel option, right? So when you click on the quick panel at the bottom, you can then click on create a new one like this. And as you can see, we can change the colors in there. So you can choose the blur level and customize the colors in here, or you can choose like a color tone at first. Then click on OK, and you have like different combinations in here. So for example, if I choose the combination of like green and red and adjust the blur like this, I can confirm it and click on a download and a save. So let me just give it a name like, I don't know, theme, like so. Click on OK, and now this is the theme which I can apply on my phone. And now this is what it will look like in my control center or a quick panel. So that's how it works. Let me know if it worked the same way for you. Definitely subscribe for more tutorials and explanations like this one, and I'll talk to you later.